Today we're making toad in the hole, crispy Yorkshire pudding with tender sausages served with a rich red onion gravy. Welcome to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Toad in the hole is a British classic that's been served to families for over 200 years. It's a simple dish of sausages cooked in Yorkshire pudding batter. And we're going to start with the batter. I've got 140 grams or a cup plus a tablespoon of plain all-purpose flour in a jug, and I'm going to make a well in the centre. Add 4 medium eggs to the flour. Stir together with a balloon whisk, bringing the flour into the centre with the eggs bit by bit. Add in 200 ml or 3/4 of a cup plus a tablespoon of semi-skimmed half-fat milk and stir with a whisk until combined. It's fine if it's a little bit lumpy at this stage. Now we're going to place in the fridge to rest for an hour or up to overnight. You're going to place it in the fridge overnight, then cover it first. It's really important to let the batter rest for an hour to allow those flour granules to swell, so you get a lovely crisp and light Yorkshire pudding. I've got my oven preheating to 220C or 425F, and now we're going to start cooking the sausages. I've got 8 good quality pork sausages here, and I'm going to add them all into the baking tin. I'm going to drizzle them with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Place in the oven and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, turning occasionally until lightly browned all over. Now take the Yorkshire pudding batter out of the fridge and stir in 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now we're going to add that Yorkshire pudding batter to the sausages, pouring it in really carefully because the oil will be really hot. We're going to pour the batter all the way around the sausages. Close the oven door immediately and cook for 25 to 35 minutes until risen and golden. Whilst that's cooking, we're going to make our red onion gravy. So we need to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and a tablespoon of unsalted butter to the pan over a medium heat. Add 2 thinly sliced red onions and 2 teaspoons of light brown sugar to the frying pan and turn the heat down to medium-low. Cook the onions for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until they start to caramelise. Now the onions are caramelised, I'm going to sprinkle over 2 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour and stir to coat the onions. Cook for 2 minutes to cook out the taste of the flour. Add in the hot beef stock while stirring all the time until the gravy thickens. Add a splash of Worcester sauce and season with salt and pepper. Serve the toad in the hole with that lovely red onion gravy. There you go, that's my toad in the hole with rich and delicious red onion gravy. Simple, hearty comfort food. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.